lost their life in DRC. Look at this. So I'm hoping that they're getting the billions that they deserve. Yeah, man. It's really sad when you see something like this happening and you know that somebody somewhere at the end of this, they're getting more than what these guys are getting. But these guys are willing to settle for less and risk their life for everything. But somebody somewhere is sitting up, down, and does not care. Okay. It's the sad reality of being an African. But we can change this as young Africans. I know I sound like some radical thing. We don't have to be radical about it. We just have to start talking about it, because I think we just are too silent in our suffering. You know what I mean? We don't voice our suffering. Religious leaders don't even voice our suffering. So I think we can just say something about our suffering and how things should be run, and the future will be possible for us. But if things continue this way, there is no future for us. We'll be all dead, buried under the rubble.